bread toaster. It looks like this. Nothing there, like so on the top. It has a rotating dial, a cancel or stop button, and some other buttons. The tray for emptying the scrums and the protection against jumping out, like so. So when the bread is pushed out at the end of the toasting, then it should jump into that one and not out. Okay, you can rotate that one to set the amount of toast. 7 is the maximum, and with that one you lower it and it automatically starts. It should heat up and get, it's already warm, get red a little bit. It's barely getting red, but it's warm. It's warm. Okay, you cannot lift that one to stop it, you have to push that cancel button. Now it's getting warmer, redder. Cancel, and it jumps up. It pushes the bread down. So the bottom portion activates it. That's the on button. So here's the bread. Half of it sticks out. So that's why you need the protection. It can fall out, and just push it down. There's a lot of space on the side, and there's distance between the heating elements and the bread, around a centimeter. And now it's getting warmer, the heat rises, so don't put it under your kitchen furniture because all the moisture would go onto them and in time it will hurt them. The cover might come down. Okay, and you have to wait. Now it's set to the lowest value and it should jump out. Let's activate these protections like so, and let's see, it should jump up and that thing should catch it, and in a few moments they should jump up, so don't get scared if something is noisy. The red elements are visible inside, both of them. If you have larger bread, then it will not fit in, you have to cut it, and you can use only 2 slices in this one. Yes, it was coated by those metal elements. And if you don't use it, maybe it will fall out. You cannot push down, it grabs it. These are not yet red because I used the minimum. Let's put them upside down and activate it once again on the minimum value of 1. And in the end you have to remove this one, pull it out, and in time you will get a lot of pieces of bread. And that's it. Of course it's electric, you have to plug it in. It's not working with gasoline or diesel. Let's see, now I did not activated this thing. Let's see, will it fall out or not? Let's see what will happen. The bread should get redder, toastier, because in the first moments the entire machine has to heat up and then it's not doing almost anything, but later the heat accumulates and it makes your bread redder faster, and it did not fall out. Plus, if you leave it here, the heat from the toaster, it's also drying your bread out. So you can use it. It's not yet red. The bottom is red a little bit. Toaster. Pay attention, the top is... ouch. Ouch. The metal is burning, so if you want to grab it, grab the plastic, not the shiny metal. Now I set it to 2.5, and let's see how toasty those bread slices will be, because these are barely red a little bit. Now let's see, it's 2.5 and barely any reddish color, so you need more For the next slice, try 3. On the 1, it stops the heating elements faster, and on the 7, it stops the heating elements later. So more time is spent to heat your bread and less time is spent to heat your bread at the same power. So your bread will be whiter and less toasty here, and it will be red and brown and maybe black here, and you have to wait more also. So maybe somewhere around 3 is the ideal value.